Hello friends, this is 7 July and I am at Pangong Lake in Leh, and this morning is very special for me. The time is 6 a.m. early in the morning, and you can see how the sunrise looks like here. This is so amazing, the weather, the climate, the views, the Jannat. This is just amazing. This is our India. Yeah, this flag gives me goosebumps, and this is India, friends. This is India. You can't experience such different colors in India. The climates, the weather, the views, the mountains. We came from Rajasthan, Jaipur, and the way was too far for us, and we came from so long, and this was just amazing. You can see behind me the wind, how the flags waving, and this is the Pangong Lake. Hopefully the another corner of this lake is China, but I cannot be sure how far it is. This is just amazing. Our manzil is here, and I should say, when I was coming to Ladakh, now when we were starting our journey, there were a lot of news and lot of people who were asking us to stay and cancel the trip. And the day before we left from there, na, we really were so scared. And finally, the day before last night, the previous night of the day, we actually cancelled the plan and we reached at home ki rehne dete. After that, the next morning, I don't know what happened and what was that feeling ki we thought will be regret to lose this trip or lose this experience. This trip is not a trip, it's an experience. You will come from so many cities and so many places. Wherever is we stayed now, that stay was just not like a stay. It was like more than that. The family they became, the people who welcome us now, they became our family, and everyone was having a speciality in them and their attitude. तो we really love that thing कि जिससे भी मिल रहे थे, they were a new color. The weather is changing. You can see the sun is soft now. So yeah, I was saying, wherever we stayed, the Sarchu, the Chandigarh thing, first stay was Chandigarh. Later we came through Manali, and after Manali we stayed at Sarchu. There were a very nice lady who attended us. You can see you can hear this. Yeah. amazing. The sound is here now. Army was all around and really love it, love it. I must suggest कि if you are planning a trip, you can go to Manali, the other places like hill stations, or you can go Goa and Maharashtra or Kerala. But if you wanna experience something, you wanna experience the northern sides of India, and not just the north, the mountains. If you love the mountains, you must, must, must plan this trip. You must plan Leh Ladakh. This is the Pangong Lake. This was our manzil, and we reached here safely. Uh, yeah, news is are quite different. In Jaipur, there are और गार्जियंस स्टिल से कि वहाँ पर बहुत ख़राब वेदर है और यू डोंट नीड टू गो फर्दर, कि आगे मत जाओ, ज़रूरी नहीं है आगे जाना, आगे और प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। एंड वी वर लाइक कि अब आ ही गए हैं तो चलते जाते जो होगी देखी जाएगी। And we really reached here safely. I don't know, the God was with us and the prayer or something, but we reached here safely. We didn't face a single problem after coming so far. So you have to start the journey and you will experience everything. And once you experience everything, na, you'll never ever gonna be regret of losing this trip. So guys, I am from Ladakh. This is 6 a.m. in morning. The sunrise begins. The sunrise here. This is Leh Ladakh, and this is Mansi Sharma from Jaipur, who came so far with my brother Gopesh Sharma and my husband Dr. Ayush. You can see him behind. This is the stay, and you can say hi to everyone. You can say hi. Yes, this is Dr. Ayush Sharma. We are from Jaipur, and this is the sunset. This is the beautiful sunrise in Leh Ladakh.